will be to have all the parts outside. We have screws and bolts and the license plate. We're going to go ahead and put it on the front here. You can put it the front, back, anywhere you like, anywhere you want the camera to be. You have the black and the red. Red meaning positive, goes to the positive of your battery or your fuse, whichever one you're going to go to, and black to the negative. We'll go over that for a second. So what we're going to do first is mount this to there. Here we are with the license plate mounted. Everyone's car will be a little bit different. You can use the bolts that came with it, or you could use your old license plate bolts. Whatever fits best and works best for you is what you'll want to end up using. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take this wire. Remember, we have the black for the ground and red for positive. So we're going to fish this wire. Let's say if you were in the back installing this as a rear camera, you could hook this right up to your reverse lights. You want to hook them, and you'll find a black wire and a red wire just splice into that. But what we're going to do here is we're going to wire this into our fuse panel. Every car will be a little bit different. So here's what we have. You're going to look on here, you can see you have a diagram. It says blower, park, front, LHHID, those are headlights. So what we're looking for is something that either comes on when you turn the car on, or if you were installing this as a reverse camera, you would hook it up to your reverse lights, and anytime you throw the car in reverse, it will power on the camera. But for this install, we're going to go and hook it directly to something that turns on when the vehicle turns on. That way the Wi-Fi is always on and connected, and anytime we want to view it, we can just open the app and see it, and we don't have any kind of delay or anything. It's constantly powered up and ready to go. In my opinion, that's the best way to install it, even on your reverse lights. Just wire it in directly into something that's always on. So we are going to use, on this one, we will go with, let's see here. We are going to use the let's go with radio. So we can see that's 15A. Again, everyone's is going to be a little bit different. Anything, you can always test it and see if it's going to turn on or not. So what we're going to do is feed this wire up through the car, and if it's not long enough, we'll extend it and we'll go from there. Hooked up, you download this app in the App Store, connect to your Wi-Fi, have the license plate on right there. I have it temp hooked up to my battery. I'm going to hook it up to the headlight so when the car turns on. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you come in here inside the app right here, and this is the live photo of what's going on, live video. We put it in the front so when we pull into the garage we don't hit anything. Very easy app to use and it's perfect.